Everyone, thanks for stopping by today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Laurie and we're going to do a Dollar Tree haul. But before we do, I just wanted to mention if you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to click that little red subscribe button below and hit the little bell that's next to it and you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So when I walked in the door, the first thing you see is pow, is all the fall decor. So of course, me and my little cart headed right down that aisle, and one of the first things that I saw and I could not resist buying were these super cute little burlap owls. They're so adorable and they're squishy. And I had to buy three, and I was kind of wondering, why do I buy three of everything? But then I thought, you know what, I have three kids, and well, they're adults now, but they're still my kids. I always bought like 3 Easter bunnies for their basket, 3 things of candy for Christmas. So I think that's why I have a problem with threes. So usually I buy 3 of everything. It's kind of scary actually, but these were so cute. So I picked up these 3 little owls. And something else that I saw that they had were these pumpkin clips. Now you can see on the back, they just clip on to whatever. I mean, obviously you can pop them off the clips and then just attach them to a project that you're working on. They were cute. I got the white and I also got the orange, and they're small, which is nice, so they don't compete with the larger pumpkins. So these were pretty cute. One of the other cool things that I found was these oversized pumpkin wreath forms. They're metal. I ended up buying 2 of them. They're huge, and that's why my face is like sticking through them because I can't even show them to the side. I'm gonna make a wreath out of one. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with the other ones, but these were just cool. I've never seen them before and they're huge. So these were a pretty good pickup. If you see them, I'd definitely grab a couple of these. Something else that I found that was really cool that I've never seen before were these copper tin, I guess they're for flowers, maybe like a floral container. I know they're the companion to the silver tin ones that they usually have. So I actually picked up 3 of these. I've never seen them before, and they don't have the jute attached to them, which is nice because if you wanted to make something without the jute, you don't have to go through the process of removing it and then removing the glue. So these were really cool, and I bet they would paint up really nice. So I ended up picking up 3 of them. I've never seen them before, and you know how it is at the Dollar Tree. If you don't get them, they might not be there when you go back. So these were pretty neat. If you're looking to make something kind of crafty, these would be great for fall. In the floral department, they have all their beautiful florals out. So I picked up these sunflowers. They're actually burlap. They're all textured and they're all like little burlap sunflowers. So I thought these were beautiful. And of course I grabbed all those classic colors. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but I mean, really, how can you go wrong with these sunflowers? So I did grab some of these, and like I said, they're all textured, they're beautiful. So I would definitely suggest grabbing a couple if you go. I also picked up this cute metal stake, and it says Harvest Blessings, and it has the little pickup truck loaded with pumpkins, perfect for the season. I thought this was adorable. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on the stake or I actually might pull it off. I'm not really sure, but I mean, I couldn't resist this. It's so cute. One of the other things that I found that are really, really cute that I hadn't seen before are these glass wishing jars. I thought they were so cute, and it's got the little metal on the top. And I mean, honestly, I could think of a million things to do with it. And then I think too, it would be really cute to just use as a wish jar. So these I think will be like multi-purpose. So if you find any, I would definitely suggest picking up at least one. Of course, I bought 3, but they're really, really cute. Something else I found that was really cute in the fall decor department were these cute little burlap covered pumpkins. I thought these were pretty cute, and I think if you just set some of them in a basket, they'd look just great on their own. I thought these were really, really cute. And of course, guys, guess what? Yes, I picked up 3. So I'm not gonna be able to show you these all at once, but I will make sure that I attach a photo after. And not to be outdone by their little burlap covered cousins are these really pretty velvet, I guess I'd call them velvet covered pumpkins. They're so pretty. And let's see, they're a little bit of a shimmer to them. They are beautiful. They came in all different colors. Of course, I bought one of every color. So it's this really pretty green. This is kind of like a a tannish brown. This here is like a little bit of an off-white. You have this really pretty blue and then the classic orange. So like I said, I can't really hold them all at once. I wish I could, but these are a nice addition and so different, and you know, they look to me to be a little more upscale pumpkins. So yeah, these were really fun and really cute. So I definitely suggest picking a couple of these up if you go. And two other things that I grabbed when I was there were these two little signs. They're pumpkin and they're burlapped covered, and this one says welcome friends, and it has a little sunflower accent, and this one says welcome fall, and it has a little pumpkin accent. They're so cute. I'm sure you could detach them and like glue them to a wreath or something too if you didn't want to have them to just kind of stand around, but hey, for $1, you can't beat it. My Dollar Tree had put out some of their Halloween decor, so I did grab this. I kind of hated to buy it though, guys, because it's only August, but yeah, you know how when you see something you're like, I just can't help myself. So I did buy this pumpkin with the little spinner inside, and it says that the witch is in. It's sparkly, of course, it's got all that glitter everywhere, and I just kind of like the colors. This bright green with the purple, it's just kind of different, and I actually think like that's my color of the Halloween season this year. I'm kind of going with that green and the purple, just for something different, not like just the standard basic orange. So I thought this was really pretty, so of course I had to grab this when I was there. I also grabbed this little Halloween sign. It has a nice black back. That is tricky to say 3 times fast. But it's obviously got the glitter on it, and some of the words are glittered and all the little characters, but you know, what do you expect? It's Halloween. We need glitter and scary stuff. So this was pretty cute. It says Happy Halloween, Nightmare, Haunted, Jack-o'-lantern, Fright, Creepy, and Tricks and Treats. Anyways, I thought this was pretty cute, and I guess it's never really too early to buy things that you like when you find them at the Dollar Tree. So the last thing I found was this black creepy cloth, and I don't know, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it. It's obviously kind of holy and kind of creepy, I guess. So I'm thinking worst case, I might just drape it over my head and I could walk around on Halloween night and scare everyone. So probably could do that without putting it on. Haha. Anyways, I hope you guys had fun hanging out with me. I had so much fun showing you all the stuff that I picked up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget, click that little subscribe button below, hit the bell so that we can do this together real soon. And once again, I always have fun hanging out with you. You make me have a better day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.